Hello, welcome back to Inspire Generations. I'm so excited to be back with another video. And of course, this is Inspire Generation. This is Tony. This is a place where we educate, we inform, we provide information to you people about the reality and the things that are happening to us. And more so, we bring inspiring stories of the people who have come to this place and they have made it big time. They share their stories and how they have been able to achieve all what they have achieved. Most of the time, we Africans, when we come to this place, we don't want to share what we have experienced in this place to our brothers and sisters back home. Actually, most of the time, we use that opportunity to discourage other people not to come to this place. But this is Inspire Generation. I decided to start this channel so that I can share with you about the reality in this place, how you can come in this place and make it, the processes that you can use. I provide you with information that you can use so that you can succeed in this place and the kind of jobs that you need to do so that you can make it in this place. So today we have been talking about green card. So today I decided to share with you jobs that you can do in USA without going to school once you win DV lottery. So I said the foundation is so important. You don't have to come to this place and take 6 months, without doing anything. Or you take 1 year, or you take even 2 months without doing anything. So this is it. Once you come to this place, the first thing that you're supposed to make sure is to get your social security number, because you can't do anything without social security number. You can't work in any formal job without a social security number. So once you get a social security number, then you're good to go. And then the next thing that you need to make sure that you get is your learner's permit. I told you how you can get learner's permit. And once you get your learner's permit, go ahead and get your driver's license. And then you can start working. And these are the jobs that you can work without going to school. You don't need to go to school, to wait until you go to school so that you can start working in this place. All right. I'm here to share with you information. So make sure that you stick around to the end of the video. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to share with your friends. And if this is your first time stopping by, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button. And of course, don't forget, to always like the video. So number one, you can work in a warehouse. There are so many warehouses in this place. Hobby Lobby, Walmart, Home Depot, those are some of them. There are so many of them. All right. You can work in a warehouse, packaging things, arranging things that are going to be shipped, and you can earn up to a tune of more than $20 per hour. $20 per hour working in a warehouse. Actually, one that I know, I think Hobby Lobby is the common one. Right now, I think they are making around $17. They are making around $17, $16, $18, and you can make some good money. Imagine if you're working 40 hours in a week, and then because mostly here they pay bi-weekly, you get paid every 2 weeks. So you work 80 hours in 2 weeks, all right, times $15. That's around you're talking about 2,400, I think so, if I'm right. So you can make some good money. So you can work in a warehouse either as a packager. You can be one of those people who are driving the cranes that are carrying the big stuff in the warehouse, cleaning the warehouse. So those are some of the jobs that you can get to do once you come to this place. Most of the time we are ashamed of the things that we do. And that's the reason why I think most people, when they come to this place, they don't want to share with their parents, with their brothers and sisters, their friends back home, of the things that they are doing. If you're cleaning, you're making money out of it. You don't need to be ashamed of it. So you can be a cleaner in schools, in those stores, in warehouses, and you can make up to a tune of $15 per hour, $20 per hour. So you can work in a warehouse as one of the packaging, and so many other things that you can get to do in warehouse that don't need you to go in school. Because remember, when you're applying for green card, they're asking for a work experience. So a work experience, you can be one of those people who drive forklift in warehouses. Maybe if you have that experience, then that is a job that you can get to do. Or the other qualification is somebody who has done a high school. Actually, in most warehouses you get, because in US, in most state, they work from age of 14 years old. So you can get a 14-year-old going to work. All right. That is the difference between, in this place and back home. So they just need somebody who has graduated from high school. All right, and you can get to do those jobs. And number two, you can be an Uber driver. Okay, all you need is to have a car that is well maintained, a car that is good. I think they take from cars that are made from 2006 and going and above. And once you have a driver's license, you can do Uber. All right, and it pays good in this place. You can make some good money being an Uber driver in this place, especially on weekend. There are some people who don't like driving, so you can do a Uber driver. Another one, you can do DoorDash. So DoorDash is a company that delivers food, because most in this place eat a lot of fast food. So they make orders online, and so if you work with DoorDash, let's say you are in this, like in this area, there's so many food stores around here. So you just it works like Uber. So you pick the food and then you deliver to those people who have ordered them. So DoorDash, Uber, work in a warehouse as a cleaner. Okay, and then you can also be a driver, a truck driver, or do delivery. I mean, not necessarily a truck driver, because a truck driver, you need to go for school for at least 2 weeks or 1 month to have a CDL. And I will tell you more about that as we finish the video. So if you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe, like the video, share with your friends. I'm sharing with you reality about this place and how you can make your life better in this place, or you can build a good foundation once you come to this place. All right, so we have talked about warehouse, cleaner, doing DoorDash, you doing Uber, and so many other things. You can also work for Walmart, okay, packaging things, storing things, unloading. Okay, those are all the things that you can do once you come to this place. Let's say, for example, you are good in cooking. I tell you, when I came to this place, I started cooking chapati, and then a friend of mine told me chapati is commonly known in Kenya, in Tanzania, and Uganda. Okay, so a friend of mine told me, you can cook these chapatis and you can make money. One chapati you charge $2. All right, if you cook 50 chapatis, that is $100, and you get money to buy gas. You get money to pay for your line, because here we pay our lines, monthly. Okay, you can get money to pay an insurance, because you can't drive a car without insurance in this place. If you get caught, it can cost you your life. Okay, so those are some of the jobs that you can get to do. Work in Walmart, all right, distribution center. Okay, because we have those people who will do shopping online, and Walmart needs people to deliver those shopping to their client. So you can do that. All right, you can work in food stores serving food. I mean, you don't need to be a chef. You just there to serve food, to take care of the people that are coming to the place. Those are some of the jobs that you can get to do. And even for ladies and men, if you're good at, I mean, you can as a salonist. This place is so expensive to make your hair, right? Yeah, actually, it can cost you more than $200 to do just do the braids. All right, so those are some of the things that you can get to do in this place. You don't need to go to school. All right, you don't need to go to school. You come to this place, you get your social security number, you get your driver's license, and you're good to start your life. Okay, you're good to start your life. Of course, this is Inspire Generations. I'm here to help you with information, the things that you need to do to make your life once you come to this place. Because some people, once they win green card, you come to this place, and then if you don't get a good host, they will not tell you what you're supposed to do. They just want you to stay around there taking care of their children or doing stuff for them, but you want to come to this place and make your life better. So that's why it is important to have information, to know what you're supposed to do. And that is the reason why we have Inspire Generations, where we share information, where I'm here to inform you. Because information, as they say, information is power. And if you don't have information, I tell you, you cannot survive in this place. It can be so difficult. Some people come to this place, they take up to 6 months before they start working. 6 months, what are you doing? There are so many things that you can get to do. There are so many things that you can get to do. All right, you just need to come to this place and know where you're supposed to start. So we've talked about cleaning jobs, we talked about working in Walmart, working in food stores, doing delivery. Doing delivery, doing delivery. You can also work in warehouses. We've talked about Hobby Lobby, Home Depot, Walmart, and so many other. You can also work as an Uber driver. All right, you can also do DoorDash. Then so many other companies. So you just need to make sure that you acquaint yourself with the right information and you are good to go. So one more reminder, if you like what I'm doing over here, please make sure that you like the video. Please make sure that you share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. Click that subscribe button. Of course, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that every time I post a video, you will be the first one to get to know and to share this information. And more about that, if you want to have a one-on-one conversation with me, you can text me via my social media handles. On Facebook is Tony Mudomi, on Instagram is Tony Mudomi, on Twitter is Tony Mudomi. You can text me, we can always have a conversation, and I can share with you more details on what you're supposed to do. So that is it for now, guys. I promise you I will share with you more and more information about this place. So make sure that you stay tuned, and I will see you in the next video.